Imagine a world where artificial intelligence models are so large and advanced that they can process an unprecedented amount of information in one go. Sounds impressive, right? But here's the catch. What happens when such immense power is released without much fanfare or official support? That's exactly what happened when DeepSeek, a prominent AI research lab based in China and funded by high-flyer capital management, unveiled its latest creation, DeepSeek V3.1 base. This massive model boasts an incredible 685 billion parameters, making it a potential game-changer in the field of AI. Now, let's break this down for those who might not be familiar with terms like parameters or why they matter. Parameters, in simple terms, are the building blocks of machine learning models. They represent the internal variables that help the model learn patterns from data. The more parameters a model has, the more complex tasks it can theoretically handle. For instance, think about how humans learn over time. Our brains adapt to new information and experiences. Similarly, a high-parameter model like DeepSeek V3.1 can absorb vast amounts of data and retain intricate details, enabling it to perform better on challenging problems. But there's something unusual about this release. While the model is accessible for download on Hugging Face, a popular platform for sharing AI tools, it currently lacks an official model card or active deployment by major inference providers. This raises some eyebrows. Why would a groundbreaking model be made available without proper documentation or widespread integration? Could it be a strategic move to gather feedback before full-scale adoption? Or perhaps a way to test the waters in a competitive AI landscape? These unanswered questions add an element of mystery to the launch. One standout feature of DeepSeek V3.1 is its extended context window. To understand why this is important, consider how frustrating it is when someone forgets part of a conversation just moments after it started. Traditional AI models often face similar limitations. They struggle to retain long stretches of input data during interactions. However, with an expanded context window, DeepSeek V3.1 can remember and analyze significantly larger chunks of text or data within a single query. This means users can ask more nuanced questions or provide longer prompts, knowing that the model won't lose track halfway through. For example, imagine drafting a detailed legal contract or summarizing a lengthy scientific paper. This capability could revolutionize workflows across industries. Another noteworthy aspect is the variety of tensor types supported by the model, including BF16, F8E4M3, and F32. If you're wondering what tensors are, think of them as multi-dimensional arrays used in mathematical computations. Different tensor formats allow developers to optimize performance based on their hardware capabilities. By supporting multiple tensor types, DeepSeek V3.1 caters to a broader audience, ensuring flexibility for both researchers and businesses. Interestingly, the files for this model are distributed using the Safetensors format. This choice enhances efficiency during inference workflows, which essentially refers to the process of running predictions or analyses using the trained model. It's akin to having a well-organized toolbox where every tool is easy to find and use. Such optimizations are crucial for anyone looking to deploy AI solutions at scale. And this is the part most people miss. While the technical specifications of DeepSeek V3.1 are undoubtedly impressive, the absence of official backing from inference providers hints at a possible gap between innovation and practical usability. Is this a deliberate strategy to encourage community-driven development? Or does it reflect underlying challenges in scaling such a colossal model? These are open-ended questions worth pondering. So, what do you think? Does the promise of a 685 billion parameter model outweigh the concerns surrounding its lack of formal deployment? Should we celebrate the democratization of cutting-edge AI technology, or question whether bigger always equals better? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take on this bold step forward in AI evolution.